This is a Samsung portable hard drive, so I'm trying to get the hard drive out, but there's no screw on it. Those holes you see, they're not screw holes, they're just cushion to put it on. So I'd have to find a groove and pull it. Yeah. So I don't have the right tool to pull it, so I'm using a flathead to pull it. So I find a groove and I'm trying to pull it, but it's very tight. So find a little groove to pull it. As you can see, I'm struggling to pull it. However, if I had the right tool, this wouldn't be an issue. So you guys, when you're going to pull yours, you get the right tool and don't damage your stuff. So I find a groove and it's opening, as you can see. It's opening, just giving me a little challenge, but it's opening. Find a small groove. So basically it's clipped down and not screwed down, so it's not screwed. Well, the part that I end up pulling is the part not close to the plug-in, so it's the part that is away from the plug-in. Don't know if you can pull the other part because there's also a groove, but I didn't want to damage the plug-in, so I pull it away from the plug-in. Okay, so as I said, I find a groove and I pull it, and that's how I got it open, because there's no screw to screw it down. Alright, so I got it open. You don't have to screw out anything, you just shake it out in your hand, and that's how you get it out. So I need this hard drive now to install in my computer, so I'm gonna upload that video next.